Wait, this phone might replace your camera, laptop, and gaming console all at once. It's faster than ever, shoots cinematic quality video, and lasts longer than most phones you've used. But is it really worth the premium price? Or is it just hype? Now, welcome back to Integrati. Today, we're talking about the iPhone 17 Pro Max, Apple's most powerful iPhone yet, and honestly, one of the most complete flagship phones of 2026. The first thing you'll notice is the massive 6.9-inch Super Retina XDR display with 120 Hz. ProMotion. Everything feels smooth scrolling. Gaming. Watching movies and the brightness and color accuracy are top class. Under the hood, Apple's A19 Pro chip delivers insane performance. Apps open instantly, heavy games run without lag, and multitasking feels effortless, plus it stays cool thanks to improved thermal design. The camera system is a major highlight. You get a triple 48MP setup with improved optics and up to 8x optical quality zoom. Photos look sharp, natural, and detailed, even in low light. And for creators, features like ProRes, Dolby Vision HDR, and advanced video controls make this phone a serious filmmaking tool. Battery life is another strong point. The Pro Max easily lasts all day, even with heavy use, thanks to a larger battery and Apple's efficiency optimizations. In my opinion, if you want the best camera, the fastest performance, and long-term software support, the iPhone 17 Pro Max is one of the best phones you can buy right now. Yes, it's expensive, but the experience matches the price. So tell me, would you choose this over the Galaxy Ultra or Pixel flagship?